In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change apps icon sizes on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down a bit until you find Display and Brightness here. Then scroll down to the very bottom and then tap at Display Zoom here. As you can see here, we can choose between two options, the default setting here named default, and also we can choose larger text to make all the elements such as text and all the app icons a little bit larger. I'm gonna select this option. And then to apply the changes, we need to hit right here at Done, and after that we need to confirm it by tapping right there in this pop-up at Use Zoomed. If we tap right here, our phone will be restarted or maybe freezed for a couple of seconds, and after that the text and all the elements including app icons will become a little bit bigger. Now you can see for sure that all icons are bigger now. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.